Hey friends, today we learn how to delete Facebook permanently. For that, first of all, open Facebook. Click on three horizontal lines in the upper corner. Scroll down. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Click on Access and Control. Click on Deactivation and Delete. Click on Delete Account. Click on Continue to Account Deletion. Click on Continue. Select a reason. After select a reason, click on Continue Deletion. Scroll down. Click on Delete Account. Enter your password and click on Continue. And after enter your password and click on Continue, you successfully delete your account permanently. If you like our video, please subscribe.